Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade Jenkins by using Yum. But first, if you haven't visited this channel before, I invite you to take a look at the playlist where you will find a lot of free tutorials about different tools and technologies like Jenkins, Docker, Ansible, Terraform, Kubernetes, SonarQube, and more. Okay, here I'm in the main dashboard of Jenkins, as you can see, and the version that I'm running on is the 332. So I'm going to upgrade to the latest LTS version. But first you can go to the jenkins.io in the download section to see all the ways that you can upgrade your Jenkins installation. As you know, the main one is the replacing the WAR file in this location. Let me show you. You can go to usr lib jenkins and here you will find your WAR file. As you can see, I have many versions of this WAR file for all the versions that I ran before. But now I already um, I already moved to the repository, so I can use Joom. In my case, I'm using CentOS, so Joom is the package manager that I'm going to use to upgrade or install Jenkins. But by following these instructions, you will be able to add the Jenkins repository to your local, and then you will be able to find Jenkins by using Joom. Okay. Then I'm going to upgrade this by doing Joom upgrade Jenkins with the option Y. The advantage to use Joom is that Joom will be able to find all the dependencies for your packages, and also it will track the history for all your transactions. If you install, delete or upgrade any package, Joom or its Joom database, it will keep all the information about those movements. Okay, it just finished, and as you can see, the new version should be 346, which is the LTS version described here. As you can see, this one. So if I go back to my Jenkins instance here, it will go back to the prompt because the service was restarted by Joom. This is another advantage because you don't have to go manually and stop the service and then start the service after the upgrade. Joom will do this by itself. So I'm going to log in and then I'm going to see the version which is the LTS one, as you can see here. So this is how you can upgrade Jenkins by using Yum after you added the remote repository in your local. This is very helpful to manage all the Jenkins versions that you have. Okay, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.